Hi there, let me ask you something. When was the last time you looked at your backyard, balcony, or even that little patch of space outside your home and thought, wow, I love this space? For many of us, the answer is probably a long time ago, or maybe never. But here's the thing, you don't need a big budget, fancy designs, or a complete makeover to transform your outdoor space into something beautiful or inviting. Sometimes it's the small changes, simple, thoughtful adjustments that can make all the difference. Today, I want to show you how you can breathe new life into your outdoor space and how we can help you to make it happen in the earliest way possible. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Like, I don't have a time to deal with my plant, or I don't know what plant to choose or how to arrange them, or maybe you are just overwhelmed with where to start. Sound familiar? You are not alone. The truth is, many people feel the same way. Life gets busy and your outdoor space ends up being the last thing on your to-do list. But here's the good news. You don't have to do all yourself. What we do is simple. We come in, help clean up and organize your space, recommend the right plan and set you up with easy maintenance tips. No complicated design, no major construction, or just practical solutions that fit your lifestyle. Let me tell you about one of our recent clients. They had a small backyard, nothing fancy, just a bit of grass, some old pots, and honestly, a lot of culture. They told us, we don't need anything extravagant. We just want this space to feel more alive and enjoyable. So here's what we did. First, we cleaned up the area. We trimmed the grass. We removed some weeds and helped them get rid of items they didn't need. Next, we selected the right plants, simple, low maintenance plants that thrive in the local climate. Finally, we added small decorative touches. Things like colorful pots, a little mulch around the plants, and cozy sitting area. That is, no big construction, no expensive overhaul, and the result, the backyard went from dull to delightful. Now they spend the mornings out there enjoying the coffee and the evening relaxing with friends. This is what we love to do. Help you make the most of your space with simple, effective changes that truly make a difference. So, what about you? Have you been dreaming of making your outdoor space more inviting but don't know where to start? Here's how we can help. We will take a look at your space and suggest easy, budget-friendly improvements. We'll help you pick up plants that are low maintenance and perfect for your lifestyle. And if you need ongoing support, we can take care of your plant for you so they always look the best. The best part is all simple, straightforward, and designed to fit your need. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, don't wait. leave a comment below or send us a message and let's talk about how we can refresh your outdoor space. I promise it's easier than you think. Your outdoor space doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be feel like home, and with a little care and attention, we can turn even the simplest yard, a balcony or patio into a place you love spending time. So, let's make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on gardening, outdoor space, and easy way to make your home a little greener. See you in the next video.